Hello students, this is video number 10 for the subject soil mechanics or geotechnical engineering first. In this lecture or video, we will see a numerical related to first chapter, that is volumetric relationships. Let us see the numerical. Dear students, here is the question. You can read the question as: the mass of a chunk of moist soil is 20 kg and its volume is 0.011 meter cube. After drying in an oven, the mass reduces to 16.5 kg. Determine the water content, the density of moist soil and dry density, void ratio, porosity and degree of saturation. Okay. Now let us see how we can solve this question. First of all, what is required? Let us write all the data that has been provided to us, given to us. So firstly, we can see that mass of soil has been given here, that is m of the soil. It is given as 20 kg. Also we can see here the volume of the soil has been given as 0.011 meter cube. Okay. Now after drying in an oven, the mass reduces to 16.5 kg. That means mass of dry soil, correct? Mass of dry soil has been given as 16.5 kg, correct? Anything else that we have been given? Okay. Now what we have to find? Determine water content. What we have to find? Water content. What else? Density of moist soil, that is density. Then we have to find dry density, void ratio, porosity and degree of saturation. That is dry density, void ratio, porosity, degree of saturation. Anything else? Okay. Now we have to find all these things. Let us see how we should proceed. We know that water content is given as mass of water divided by mass of solids. Okay. What is the mass of water? Mass of water. What is the mass of water? We know the moist soil, mass of moist soil has been given and the mass of dry soil has been given. So if we subtract mass of dry soil from mass of moist soil, definitely what we will get? We will get mass of water. Now we can see here that mass of moist soil has been given 620 kg and mass of dry soil has been given 16.5 kg. Hence we know that mass of water is 20 minus 16.5, that is 3.50 kg, correct? Now what is the mass of solids? So mass of the dry soil is the mass of the solids, hence it is 16.5 kg. Okay. And thus what we get as water content? 0.2121. If we multiply it by 100, we can get it as 21.21%. So we get water content as 21.2%. Okay. Now we know that density, a bulk density, is nothing but mass by volume. Correct. We need to find it. What is the mass of the soil? It is 20 kg. What is the volume? It is 0.011 meter cube. Correct. This is kg and this is meter cube. Hence, what will be the density? It will be equal to, after using the calculator, you will find that it is 1818.18 kg per meter cube. Correct. Now after density, let us try to find out dry density. What is dry density? Dry density is known to be as mass of solids divided by total volume. Mass of solids or mass of dry soil. We already know that mass of dry soil or mass of solids has been given as 16.5 kg and the volume is 0.011 meter cube. Hence dry density is, after using calculator, you will find that it is 1500 kg per meter cube. Okay. Now let us proceed ahead and see how we can find the void ratio. We know the void ratio is volume of void by volume of solids, but we are not having any direct data of volume of voids or volume of solids. So what we can do, we can move in some other way. Correct. Let us use some other path for finding it. We know that dry density is G rho W upon 1 plus E. Correct. Now we already know what is dry density. We have already found in the last slide what is dry density. Correct. Now the value of G has been given in the question. The value of G, it has been given in the question. It has not been shown here, but it has been given in the question. Correct. So the value of G has been given as 2.70. Okay. So, and density of water, we all know that it is 1000 in kg per meter cube. So from this equation, can we write it like this? E is equal to G rho W upon rho D minus 1. Very easily we can write it. So we know that G is 2.70 into rho W is 1000 divided by rho D, we have obtained it as 1500 kg per meter cube. Here also 1000 kg per meter cube. What is the unit of G? G is unitless. Okay. And then minus 1 is equal to 0.80. This is the value of E. Correct. This is the value of E that we are getting. Okay. Minus 1 also, no? So after you calculate it, you will get that the value is 0.80 as E. Okay. Next is porosity. How can we find porosity? We know that porosity is equal to E upon 1 plus E. Correct. So 0.80 divided by 1 plus 0.80, and you will get 0.44, or if you want in terms of percentage, you can multiply it by 100. You will get as 44.4%. Okay. Next is degree of saturation, S. How shall we calculate this? We know that E is equal to Wg upon S. correct. Water content we have obtained as 21.21%, but we cannot write it in terms of percent, correct. So it will be written as 0.21 into what is the value of G, 2.70, divided by what is E, 0.80. After calculation using calculator, we will find it that it is 0.7158, and if you want it in terms of percentage, then you will get it as 71.58%. Now we know this formula, we have just yeah, interchange the position of E and S. Okay, so actually using this formula we will get S is equal to Wg upon E. From here we have written this. Okay, okay. So whatever has been was asked from us, perhaps we have obtained everything. Let us see. Water content we have obtained, density we have obtained, dry density we have obtained, E, that is void ratio we have obtained, porosity we have obtained, S, that is degree of saturation, we have obtained, and hence we have calculated each and everything what was asked in the question. Thank you students, we'll meet again in the next video.